In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use InVideo's AI command box to edit your project effortlessly. First, sign into your InVideo account and head to your dashboard. Make sure you're opening the exact project you want to edit, whether it's a draft you've been working on or a template you've customized. Give the project a moment to load so all your media, text, and timeline elements are fully available. This ensures the AI has the most accurate context before you make any changes. Once you're inside the editor, look for the command box. You'll see it within the workspace where you normally adjust clips, text, and audio. The command box is your direct line to the AI, and it understands clear, plain English instructions that reference what's already in your project. If it's your first time using it, hover around the interface for the text field that invites you to type a command. Now click into the command box and type a simple, specific instruction. For example, you can write, change the subtitles to Spanish. Keep your phrasing direct and descriptive. If your project uses captions across multiple scenes, the AI will interpret that instruction and apply it consistently. You can also include helpful context, like for the entire video or for the current scene, but stay focused on the change you want. The more precise the instruction, the cleaner the result. When you're ready, hit send or press enter. You'll see the AI begin working, and depending on the size of your project, it may take a moment. While the update is processing, avoid making other edits so the change can finish correctly. Once complete, the editor will refresh the relevant elements, here, your subtitles, and you'll be able to see the adjustments right away. Take a quick look through a few sections of your timeline to confirm everything looks good. Automated subtitle changes are a huge time saver, but it's smart to scan for capitalization, punctuation, and brand terminology, especially if you use product names or technical terms. If you notice anything that needs further refinement, simply return to the command box and write a follow-up instruction in the same straightforward style. That's it. You've logged in, opened your project, used the command box to tell the AI exactly what you wanted, and let it make the change for you. With a few concise commands, you can speed up your workflow and keep your focus on creativity rather than repetitive editing.